Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making hot and sweet banana French toast. For this we need banana, bread, egg, green chili, honey, butter, salt and coriander leaf. Firstly, peel the banana, cut it into slice. Now in a pan, take 1 teaspoon butter, let it melt. Now add the banana slice, mix it for a couple of seconds. Now add honey. Basically we have to caramelize the banana. Mix it, toss it for a couple of seconds. Now remove it into a bowl. Take egg, beat it, add salt to taste, add green chili for hotness, add coriander leaf for freshness, beat it properly. Now in a frying pan, add butter, let it melt, dip the bread into egg mixture and put it on butter. Now add caramelized banana slices. Dip another bread slice into egg mixture. Now put it onto the bread. Add some green chili, some egg mixture and flip it carefully. Press it gently. And cook it from both the sides. Now cut it into two. Now serve it. So your very interesting hot and sweet banana French toast is ready. For daily one interesting recipe, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.